Welcome to another video by Eddie Inc. And this is a dragon. Yes, it might not look like a fictional dragon like the ones from Harry Potter or Lord of the Rings. But since dragons can breathe fire and no actual animal can breathe fire, this is the closest you're getting. It has super sharp talons and claws. There's a huge wing. 2 huge wings, and it is 17 feet tall. This is a giraffe that can fly, basically. And its wingspan is around 36 feet. And its speed can get up to 98 kilometers per hour in the air. On land, it'd be around 30 to 20 kilometers an hour. And it could weigh up to 350 kilograms or 771 pounds. Now that is a beast. You also may notice has quills. Well, those are for the fence. And it also has patterns and stuff for display during mating season. And now let's get on to the genetic contributors. So we used Hatzegopteryx and Quetzalcoatlus for the base genome. I used the largest Quetzalcoatlus species because there's 2 of them that I know of, and only 1 Hatzegopteryx species that I know of. Please correct me if I'm wrong. But Hatzegopteryx is heavier than Quetzalcoatlus, but Quetzalcoatlus has a larger height and wingspan. Yeah, so you could call Hatzegopteryx a bit fat, but don't insult him because if he still was alive, you'd be eaten in a millisecond. I used piloted woodpecker for the beak strength. Now these woodpeckers are known for digging through hard wood that from healthy trees. So they have a really strong beak for their homes. And I used a surprising animal, the marine iguana. And I used this one for its super sharp claws. It has super long and sharp claws for gripping to the ground in its soggy environment. But I used them not just for grip, I also used them for scratching and clawing at prey that's too big to swallow whole. North American porcupine is for those awesome quills I told you about. They're not venomous like Vasuki cobra was, but they are still super deadly. I mean, not deadly, but dangerous. And I used golden eagle as the last contributors for the talons and grip strength. Its talons are super sharp, and add that with the grip strength, which is enough to crush a skull of a human. And now you got a deadly deal. And add that same grip strength and claws to this thing, and yeah, I don't think much is surviving it. Well, that was my hybrid. Volansterrors barborumus, also known as the flying terror barbarian. Yeah, it's basically like Ruler of the Sky 2.0, except without the tongue. But that is my hybrid. Eddie Inc. out.